Do you find yourself swooning over labels, but can't afford a Cricut maker because you only have $3 in your wallet? Well, look no further. You can be jumping for joy and have pretty, gorgeous labels. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make beautiful labels. So let's get started. You can use the free version of Canva to make these labels and print them off using sticker paper. And I'll link down in the description below what I use. I get my sticker paper from Amazon, and I get clear sticker paper. I'm going to start to share my screen, and we'll jump into this video. And you're going to click Create a Design in the upper right-hand corner, and you want a 8.5 by 11 inches. That's a standard letter size. Right here have recently done one, so I'm going to click that, and it'll bring up a new page, and here I have one created already. So once you're on this page, you're going to go into the left-hand corner. You're going to find File, and you're going to click Show Rulers, and now you can see the rulers, and then you're also going to click Show Guides. All right, so I already had these up, so I'll show you kind of how you bring them up. You just toggle over the guides or the rulers, and you bring out one, and you line it up how you want it to be. I eyeball it. You could try to measure it up and make sure it's even. I feel like for this, it's good enough to just kind of eyeball it, and you can move it around as you want. You can obviously make larger labels, smaller labels. Right now I'm making labels for my kitchen, and particularly like the baking area of my kitchen, so all these labels are going to be baking related. So now that I have my grid of how big I want the labels, I'm going to go into my text, add a subheading that's just kind of what I like, and then I'm going to type in flower, and I'm going to adjust the size. If you pull out the end like this, it'll grow the size. Otherwise, you can adjust it a little bit at a time up here. So I'm going to position it, and I'm going to choose a font. I like this font, so this is the font I'm going to choose. I'm going to try to position, there we go. And then I'll show you some shortcuts. So you click on the heading that the text box that you just created, and you're going to click Curl C, which is copy it, so it's on your copy board, and then you're going to Control V and copy and paste it, and then change it up with whatever you want, and then there you have it. Now you could add another subheading or a heading over here or whatever, but if you copy and paste it, it will copy the size, and it will copy the text. What's it called? Then you just fill in all these blocks by copy and pasting, dragging over, and repeat until you're done with it. And this is the finished product. So I've written out all the labels that I want, and I'm going to, this is the title of the design. I'm going to download it as a PDF standard file. That way I can print it, and it's going to bring up what it will look like. Now it won't print the guided lines, which is fine by me. I'm sure there's a way that you could print them if you wanted to, but then I'm going to just print on plain white paper and going to inspect them before I start printing on the actual special paper. I want to make sure that everything's spelled correctly and everything is ready to go. All right. I will have the Canva template linked below so you can get started today. And I will also have the sticker paper linked below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!